let's get into Sunflowerland. So for starters, how do you play this game? How can you get it? And then voila, you're here in Sunflowerland. Now, let's give a guide on what's going on. Gameplay guide. For starters, you have your farm. These are your plots of land that you can plant and harvest crops on. Don't worry, we'll go over farming in a second. Above the farm, you have the barn, where you have animals that you can raise, like chicken, cow, pigs, and sheep. And then this tab is the rare tab. These are NFTs that you can craft that give in-game basically bonuses and benefits. Like the chicken coop allows you to collect 3 times the amount of eggs, and it costs 100 wood, 50 gold, 2,000 eggs, and 50 SFL. Or you can just buy it on OpenSea, which you can click right there. And then coming down from the barn, you've got your home, where it shows your leveling and your skills. We'll go over this later. Outside of that, you've got the shop, where you can buy plants, you can sell crops, and you can craft NFTs that, again, give certain benefits in-game. And that's a Sunflowerland comprehensive beginner's guide, how to get in the game, how to play it, and then just overall what the game's about, how to go about it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in Sunflowerland, again, all the links are down in the description, and have a community of people to be able to bounce ideas off of, theory craft, and again, we'll have through your journey with Sunflowerland. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Peace out, friends.